Brewster, you need to hurry.
OK, then.
We'll be back soon.
That wheel is loose. Brewster's going to derail like I did. Wilson, Brewster, slow down. Somebody has to do something. Slow down. You have to slow down. Stop! Hang on!
Ooh, that was close. I almost derailed, but why couldn't I stop?
The car has a wobbly wheel, so when you hit the turn, it threw you off balance.
Wait a minute, Koko. You were pulling this car before?
Yes, I thought it was going fast that made me derail, but it was actually the wheel.
Right, because you just went really fast to save Brewster.
I did, like lightning.
Fastest trainee in town.
I'm back. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Come on, we've got a delivery to make.
What about the car with the wobbly wheel?
I'll use my booster and go and get help. Who's that speeding on down the tracks? Faster than faster, throttle to the max. A bright green blur with a winning smile. I'll win any race by country mile.
Oh, she's Koko! That's a chugger in town! Koko!
Nothing slows me down.
Koko!
See me fly around the bend.
Koko!
Your fantastic friend. My power's electric, my speed's bona fide. I move fast enough to catch my own backside.
Koko! That's a chugger in town! Koko!
Nothing slows me down.
Koko!
See me fly around the bend.
Koko!
Your fantastic friend.
That's the last of the ice cream.
We did it! Everyone that knows when you want a job done fast, you call on Koko.
Thanks for believing in me, even when I didn't believe in myself.
Like we said, what's a friends for?
Playing chug tag? You're it, Brewster. You can't catch Koko.
That's not fair. You're too fast.
Don't let him catch you, Slowpoke.
Oh, Koko, I think I liked you better when you were slow.
Where should we go next?
Do you think that's Action Sugar?
I think someone needs help.
What gave you that idea? You're right. Quick, we better help. I think it's coming from over. Honking horns. Oh no, what happened?
I was driving along calmly when Toot ran us off the rails.
Calmly? You were driving with your eyes closed.
I'm calmest when my eyes are closed. Oh no! What should we do?
This is a real emergency. It's a job for Action Sugar or Chug Patrol or...
There's no time. Hoot and Toot need help right now.
Okay, I'm on it.
Whatever you're doing, stop doing it. I'm not doing anything. I wasn't talking to you.
Oh, I just made it worse. If only I was a real hero like Action Sugar, I would know what to do.
But you are a real hero, Brewster. You're my hero.
I am?
Yes, because you're so nice and you're always there for everybody.
You're helpful and strong and you get the job done.
I am, aren't I? I better do something now.
I don't know if this is going to hold much longer.
Don't worry, we'll get you back on track.
I'm not worried. That's easy for you to say. No, it isn't. Yes, it is.
Hang on. I've got you.
And I've got you, Brewster.
Okay, Zeffie, we're going to try one big heave on 3. 1, 2, 3. Just a little further.
too. Did not. Oh, wait. Yeah, I did. Told you. Did not. Yes, I did. Did not.
Hello, Chuggington. I'm your rolling host, Wilson. And what's this? Do-do-do-do-do. A newsflash just came in. A rhino has escaped the safari park. I need to make this more exciting. 2 rhinos are on the loose! Why aren't they stopping? Newsflash! 20 rhinos are on the loose! 20 rhinos running wild in Chuggington! 20 rhinos? Ah!
Stop the movie! Stop the movie! It's an emergency! We need to listen to the radio!
There's no need for alarm. But what's this? The sound of thumping feet on the ground. Could it be a rhino stampede?
A rhino stampede! Whoa! Help! I'm stuck! Someone help Zeffie! This way! This way! No, this way!
Everyone seek shelter! I'm going for help!
Pete, what's the hurry? Aren't you supposed to be at the movie?
I'm going for help! You get to safety before the... Wait a minute. If you're here, where's the stampede?
Rhino stampede? Well, you know, it sounded like it was headed towards... Or maybe it was, Okay. Maybe it was really only one rhino and it's already been caught.
1? I thought it was 20.
I might have exaggerated a teeny bit.
A teeny bit? Everyone's in a total panic.
They are? Oh, bumpers. I didn't mean to scare anybody. I just wanted to make the story exciting.
Well, someone could have been hurt.
You're right. I should tell them the truth. I said things that weren't true, and I'm really sorry. I promised to clean up the mess I made, and I know you won't want to listen to me anymore after this. This is Wilson, signing off forever.
What is this teeny tiny problem you want our help with?
Well,
Looking around, Wilson.
Oh, Wilson!
What happened?
well, Matumbo got muddy and went to the chug wash, and he left me here to feed the animals.
Okay, but...
Somehow they got out and started running wild, and now I need to put them back before Matumbo returns, otherwise he'll never let me help again.
Oh no, you have to go to your own home.
Come on, get down from there. Stop monkeying around.
I feel like a brand new safari chugger again, ready to lead an important tour. Time to see how Wilson is doing.
Sorry, Wilson, but I can't get Ebo to go back into his enclosure.
Same with the giraffes.
The monkeys ignored me too. How are we going to get the animals back where they're supposed to be?
Wilson, why did they start running wild in the first place?
I'm not sure. I fed them and everything seemed fine.
What did Matumbo tell you to feed them exactly?
Well, I wasn't really paying attention.
Maybe they wandered off because they didn't get the right food.
If giving the animals the wrong food caused them to wander away from their enclosures, maybe giving them the right food will lure them back in.
That's a great idea, Brewster.
Yeah, but what is the right food?
Look, they're showing us the kind of food they really want to eat.
Let's round them up.
thank you. I feel much better. So, Wilson, how did feeding time go?
Everything went just fine.
No matter what Frostini does, ice cream will always be his true love. Mio amore.
I tried to forget you, to leave you in the past. We had something beautiful, but I knew it couldn't last. Oh, ice cream, mi amore, I can't go on alone. Oh, ice cream, mi amore, how I miss your waffly cone. I vowed to love you forever, thought that we would never quit, but the machine came between us, and now we're a banana split. Oh, ice cream, our love will never stop. Oh, ice cream, mi amore, with sprinkles and a cherry on top.
I see you are enjoying another flavomatic flavor. It is stupendo, no?
Actually, no. This one tastes like mango and pickled peas.
Ugh, and this one tastes like chocolate and grilled cod.
Those are not delicious descriptions.
No, something must be wrong with the flavomatic. Oh, it won't switch off.
Stop! I command you! Finito! That's enough! Hi!
Let me try. Activate stop protocol. We need another way to shut it down.
Frostini, if anyone can turn these machines off, it's you.
Think, Frostini, think. I'm a genius. There is a top secret stop button.
There is? Where?
In a very hidden top secret place, of course.
Where?
Under the conveyor belt, big red button says stop.
I'm on it.
Allez!
You did it.
Koko, stop the train! Is Frostini glad to see you? We will have ice cream. Bene, you mix it slowly together, and Frostini will speak to the mayor.
Will do, Frostini. Mix, please. Oh, there's no time to mix it slowly. Everybody's waiting.
Prepare for Frostini's latest masterpiece.
Yes! Exciting.
What was that?
I think I mixed it too fast. I'm really sorry, Frostini.
The mixer is broken. There will be no ice cream today.
Again?
Oh,
disappointing.
This chugger is ready to depart. Again.
Why did I have to do everything so fast when the old-fashioned way would have worked just as... Wait a minute. Oh, Papa Pete, there you are. I really need your help.
No. You don't need an old chugger like me.
But I broke Frostini's machine, and I was wondering, do you know an old-fashioned way to make ice cream?
Actually, I do.
Train-tastic. I knew you'd know how.
Why, when I was a young puffer, we used to churn barrel after barrel of the stuff.
Let's make some the old-fashioned way. It's churning!
Che bello! What is that? How can it be? It smells like a maple apple dapple.
Old Puffer Pete helped me make it the old-fashioned way.
The great Frostini is saved! Bring back the mayor!
It's spectacular! spectacular! Smooth and creamy, just like they used to make it when I was young. Oh, and those flavors.
Oh,
so tasty! I award Maple Apple Dapple my seal of approval. Hooray!
It's a big hit. Grazie, my friends. Frostini is forever in your debt. I must learn about this old-fashioned way of yours. What other favoloso treats did you make when you were a bambino?
Do you really want to know?
Si, we'd like to hear.
Well, I'm glad you asked. The trick is to use ice-cold milk.
What if we can't find it?
Fear not. There's never been a case Detective Brewster couldn't crack.
Really?
Yep, because I never had one before. Now, the detective-y thing to do is to retrace your tracks.
First, I remember driving all around here with it on and seeing how good it looked on me and how the squirrels seemed to really like it too.
Right.
And then I dropped off my bananas at the safari park.
Aha!
What is it?
A clue, my dear Wilson.
I was on banana duty and... Whoa!
Aha! Better let Eddie know about that bump in the track.
Wait! I remember running over it earlier. Maybe that's how the rosette got knocked off. It must be around here somewhere. There! And Wilson gets the rose. Hey! Bring that back! Why don't you be a good little monkey and give that back, please?
I think that was a no.
Come on, monkey.
How about a banana?
Good thinking. Looky what I've got. Hey, Koko. We were just, fixing the roof with this,
banana.
Have you had any luck finding my award?
Not yet, but I think we're close.
Great, I'm almost done, so I'll see you soon.
Okay then, bye. We've got to hurry. What do you say, monkey? Yummy.
Yes, it worked.
And Wilson gets... Not again. Now it's gone for good. Guess there's nothing left to do but tell Koko the truth.
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.